First of all, on the profile section, you can select your business category and fill in the name of your business and short description, which will be displayed on the Shoppers app. You can upload logo and background pictures, which will be displayed on the e-receipt for your customers. You can put your website and social page if you have one. If necessary, you can set different languages for user interface and receipt. Roivas provides 12 different languages. Once profile setting is done, make sure you press Save. Next, if you plan to run a customer loyalty program, you can click Loyalty button. Set the discount percentage that you will credit towards the points account of your shoppers. Generally, we suggest 1 point for 1% of the amount spent. Also, you may set reward points to the customer for installing the Shopper app and save. Next, you have tax section. When you hit the Add Tax button, you can name the tax and tax rate. Specify if tax is included in the price or added to the price at the counter. As an option, select the items to which this tax should apply and save. Lastly, when you hit Shop with no address, you can enter your shop's address, description, and phone number. If you have more than one register, you can add register here and save. Finally, you have finished setting up your shop in the back office. Now you can add products and make sales with your POS. Just press the menu button in the left top corner and then the menu bar will roll down. Hit Items and Categories and then tap Plus. Here you can add category name. Then hit Create New Item. This item is going to be displayed under the drinks category. Add item's name and price. SKU will be added automatically. You can also add a barcode if it's needed. Then you can choose how it will be displayed in the category. You can choose by default, color, or image. Let's choose image. Take a picture of the item and save it. Finally, you can see the tea in the drinks category. You can select items by tapping on Items, or search for the items in the search bar, or selecting from the appropriate category. Tapping on the receipt on the top bar, you will see the order list. You can change the quantity of the items by pressing the item. By sliding the item to the right, you can remove the item from the order list. By tapping in the top right corner, you can void sale. Tap Charge when order is finished. Select one of the suggested amount, or type manually the received amount, or hit Charge when you receive an exact amount. Once the payment is processed, you will see the payment summary. Finally, there are two options you can choose from. You can email the receipt to your customer, or you can go to the new sale. Go to the item list. You will see import export buttons here. Let's try import first. Click import. Download the template file. Open the template file. Now you can start filling the necessary fields. Once it's done, make sure you save as CSV. Save. Now let's go back to your back office. Select the file from your computer. Upload. Confirm import. It's done. Now you can see all your product list at your back office. Let's try export item list. Click export. Then you already have it on your computer. I would like to show you refund process on a tablet and smartphone. In order to issue a refund, go to Receipt Archive. Click Write Receipt. If it's the correct one, refund. On this page, drag the item from left to right. Finally, you click Refund. In the same way, on the smartphone, you go to Receipt Archive, select Correct Receipt. If it's the correct receipt, refund. Choose the item, hit Refund. To create discount, go to Menu, Items, Discount. Click the plus button. You can decide the name of discount, and you can decide discount by percentage or amount. When you leave the field blank, it means you can give discount during the sale. Let's make 10% of discount and save. When you go back to your sales, you can see that your discount is created. Let's apply discount. Let's say your customer bought some of your product. Now you can give discount to the individual item by clicking the item. Turn on the feature and OK. You can see that discount is applied. You can also cancel the discount here. If you want to give discounts to whole products, go to discounts here, click the discount. You can see discount is applied to the whole product and in total how much you gave discount. Office, click the report icon and you will see new menu called sales by category. Click this and then you will have 3 different columns. First one shows your categories and second column shows how many items were sold, and the last one shows how much revenue were made by each category. Not only that, you can choose the specific time, today, yesterday, this week, or this month. Also, if you click this calendar icon, you can more customize the time and then confirm. So I know a lot of you ask us how to export a sales report by category. Therefore, I'd like to share with you a small tip today. You simply drag the report from the top to the bottom and then press Ctrl C or Command C depending on your operating system. Next, open your Excel. Once it's opened, you simply press Ctrl V or Command V. That's it. Just now you have exported the sales report by category. And go to Settings. At the bottom of the page, you will see Use Shift. Please make sure you switch on the feature and save. Once you log into your POS app, you can open Shift, and you can also specify cash amount at the beginning of the shift. For cash management during the shift, you go to Menu and Shift and click Cash Management. Let's say you pay in $1 into your cash draw, and also later on you pay out $2 from your cash draw. As you see, all the history of the cash management will be recorded. At the end of the day, when you close the shift, simply go to Menu and Shift, Close Shift. Here you will see all the summary of your shift. You need to go to the settings. If you scroll down the page, you'll see Use Open Ticket. Activate the feature and make sure you save it. Now you can go to your POS app. You will see a new button called Open Ticket. Let's say table 1 customer ordered something and you want to save it as table 1. If you want to, you can make comment here. Let's say table 2 customer ordered something else and you can save it as table 2. You can see all the tickets when you click this. If you want, you can delete this ticket. Also, you can transfer this ticket to your employee. When table 2 customer is ready to pay, you can click this and you will see what they ordered. And simply you can charge. Then you can go to next sale. Employees section. When you press Add Employee, you will be asked to set your PIN code first as the shop owner. And then you can add an employee into the system. You can put the employee's name, email address and phone numbers are optional. Create 4-digit PIN numbers and save it. Now, in the FUDKARTZ POS application, you will see the pin code icon on the menu. When you press that, it will open pin panel and the registered employee can log into FUDKARTZ POS. After your customer choose items, you can click the search to look for your customer by the name, email, and number. Once you select your customer, you will see the points balance. To redeem the point, click the 3 dots and redeem point. It will show you how much your customer will get discount. Also here, you can type manually a discount amount. And then OK. On the ticket, you can see how much discount he gets, also how much he will need to pay for the rest. If information is correct, click charge and then charge again. There are 3 ways of signing up a customer. First of all, simply hit the add button in the POS app. What you need to know is the customer's email address. However, you can also add the customer's name and make a simple note about the customer. It will help you initiate a conversation and build a more intimate relationship with your customer. Secondly, when your customer has already installed the FUDKARTZ Shopper app, you can sign up the customer by scanning the QR code. Once the transaction is finished, automatically the customer will get the points set by you and also receive the e-receipt. Finally, the customer who has FUDKARTZ Shopper app can sign up to your shop by scanning the QR code of your shop.